Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with another BIBBIDI box unboxing. So this would be my February's unboxing, I guess. My charges are at the end of the month, so I'm assuming it's for the next month. And so let's see what we have here, but how cute. I love all the icons they put on their boxes, like so pretty. Okay, let's get into this. So, oh, it says happy birthday on my box. Oh, thank you so much. And look, it's farm fresh. And then I'm just gonna pull their BIBBIDI bag out. Look at how beautiful this is. Look at how big. I love the hollow. It's a good shopping bag. It's a good regifting bag. It has a drawstring. Let's see what's in it. Oh, looky, looky. So let's pull everything out and I'll be back. Okay, so let's see. Farm Fresh, roses, chocolate, candy, open daily. How cute. The conversation hearts. And the Mickey balloons. And look at Mickey, he's driving. And I love it because I have either this whole cut apart, or I can cut just the truck out, or just the sentiments. Thank you so much. Oh, and look how cute this conversation hearts. I can reuse this. And look at how beautiful I can reuse this. And it says, have the best birthday ever. Oh. Wishing you a magical birthday with love, the BIBBIDI fam. Brenda, Becky, and Amanda. Thank you, ladies. Thank you, thank you. And this is a packing slip. I'll save it for later. Hopefully I remember to bring it back. And then how cute. Too cute. So look. Big lounge fly. I get a showcase. Something here, and something here. So let's go. And so first off, I have this oversized luggage tag. It's Deadpool. I know a little somebody that would like this. I might have to pass it on to him. And then, look at this Jack. Oh, my daughter will love this. This can be her Valentine's. I'm filming today, but this video is not going to go up till later in the week. Today is Valentine's Day. Oh, she'll love this. Look at this. Beautiful. I love the little pumpkin charm too. Well, it's not little, but thank you so much. And then look at this mask. Oh, is that Stitchy? Oh, maybe it's Angel. Thank you so much. And then, let's take him out so we can get a better look at him. Okay, let's see him. Look at him. It's Disney Brittle. I think that's how you say it. There he is, Romero Brittle. But look at how cute he is. He's made in Cambodia. And the author has signed him. Beautiful. So I do have a spot for him, I'm sure. And now let's get to the backpack. Look, it's Hello Kitty backpack. Sorry for all the crinkle. Sorry. Oh my gosh, this is like deluxe version. Oh wow. Oh, Kung Hee Fat Choi. Sanrio Loungefly. Look at this. Let's look at it, at all of this. It's lined so beautiful. Has a pocket, zipper pocket. love it. And there's grommets that the drawstring goes in and out of. This is the bottom. I'm gonna have to stuff it back with the, it still has the plastic over the magnet. Stuff it back with the paper because it's soft. Oh my goodness, how cute is this? Yes. Oh, so thank you. This is my Bibbidi unboxing. I appreciate it, ladies. Thank you so much. For more videos like these, you guys can see here. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, thank you for coming back. I appreciate your support. And until my next video, shakas.